to activate Windows 10 or 11 once and for all. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily activate Windows 10 or 11 once and for all. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just come over to your search bar and simply type in for Windows PowerShell. So once you search in for Windows PowerShell, simply run this as an administrator and make sure to open this version. So once you do it or open it just like this, wait for a few seconds until it loads your directory. So now all you have to do is just paste this following keyword which I'll be showing you on the screen just like this. You can also take a note of it and simply paste it over here. So once you do that, simply hit the enter button and it will get started, and it will check if your Windows is activated or not. So it will run a script where you will have to choose between these two options whether you want to update your Windows or your Office. Based on your choice, you should click the menu. So if you want a Windows activation, simply tap on 1. If you want a Office activation, simply tap on 2 option. So once you do all of that, it should get started and easily update or activate your Windows just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.